friends, today we learn safety rules. Safety helps us stay happy and protected. Let's learn together in a fun way. Fire is useful, but we must be careful. Never touch hot things without help. Always call an adult if something is wrong. Before crossing, always look both sides. Wait for cars to fully stop first. Walk safely and never run on the road. Never talk to strangers. Do not take gifts from them. Stay close to trusted adults. Water is fun, but we must stay safe. Never swim without an adult watching. Always use safety tools if needed. What is safe on the road? Run fast or walk calmly? Choose the safe answer. Walking is the safe way. What should you use near fire? Bare hands or gloves? Think and choose wisely. Gloves are the right choice. Who should you stay with? A stranger or your parent? Pick the safe choice. Stay with your parent. Remember safety rules each day. Stay alert and choose wisely. You are safe, strong, and smart. Great job learning safety today. Keep practicing and stay safe. See you in the next lesson.